I have a Honda CRV here. This one took a hit to the right front corner and destroyed all of this structure. So I'm going to be replacing all of these small pieces in this corner, this outer upper rail, as well as these pieces right here. First, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab it with the frame rack and roughly pull out all of the damage, and then I will start cutting this one apart. So I just about have this one all fit together. I'm gonna make some quick comparison measurements. First I'm gonna check the length, and I'm just going from this hole to right here, and then I'm gonna compare it to this side, dead on. And now I'm doing an X, same points, that's pretty much dead on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one welded together. I'm gonna take this outer rail off first because I gotta get some welds back behind it, get all this welded on, then I'll pop that upper rail back on and get that welded on as well.